Hindi ko kaya makisabay. Pag may isang tao ang bumitaw at gustong marinig, marami ka masyadong kalaban.
Totoo. Kumusta ang trabaho now in the future na pag-usapan natin dito? That you have the movie with Charo.
Yeah,
Oo, and then
movie with Charo,
preparing for a
with
serye.
Catherine, and a future movie sa amin.
In a relationship daw, what is worse than betrayal?
Maiwanan ka. Maiwanan ka ng taong mahal mo pa. At nagmamahalan kayo at maunahan ka.
That's true.
Yun ang pinakamat. Yun yung sabi ko, baka hindi ko kaya yun. Tried rin man ako or i-betray, it's okay. It's part
Pero
of
wag.
love, it's part of relationship. Parte ng buhay natin. Pero yung hindi mo na kaya ibalik kasi nawala na, pinakamasakit.
If you are in a relationship, hypothetical po ito, this has nothing to do with Danielle and with DJ and Kat. Hypothetical, in a relationship, if one is betrayed, you're the type who would go for forgiveness. You can forgive.
Yes.
Galing.
Hindi, I will not move on.
Oo.
Hindi ako makaka-move on sa sarili ko not for us.
Oo.
Kung sakaling may ganon sa isang relasyon ko, pag ako ay trinidor at may ginawang mali, kaya kong patawarin yung tao na yun kasi para sa akin din yun eh. Pag hindi mo ginawa yun, wala, you'll be lost.